Firefighter Finn and the rescue mission. It's a peaceful day at the fire station, and Firefighter Finn is ready for whatever comes next.
Every day brings new challenges. I wonder what will happen today.
Suddenly, the fire alarm rings. There's an emergency, and Firefighter Finn is needed for a rescue mission.
Time to go. Someone needs our help.
The sirens blaring, Firefighter Finn races through the city streets, heading toward the call for help.
Hang on, we're coming to help.
Firefighter Finn arrives at the scene of the fire. His heart races, but he knows what to do. Stay calm, stay focused, and help the people inside.
I'll get everyone out safely.
Inside the smoky building, it's dark and hard to see. But Firefighter Finn doesn't give up. He calls out to the people inside to make sure they're safe.
Is anyone here? Don't worry, I'm coming to help.
Firefighter Finn finds a family trapped inside. They're scared, but he knows just what to say to keep them calm.
Follow me. I'll get you out of here safely.
With bravery and care, Firefighter Finn guides the family out of the building, saving them from danger.
Everyone's safe now. You did great.
Once everyone is safe, Firefighter Finn and his team get to work, putting out the fire with their powerful hoses.
We did it. The fire's out.
The community is so thankful for Firefighter Finn's bravery. He smiles, knowing that today he made a real difference.
Just doing my job. Helping others is what it's all about.
Back at the fire station, Firefighter Finn rests, knowing that he helped save the day. But he's always ready for the next call.
It feels good to help people. That's what being brave is all about.